Chaos erupted in the parliament today after Vice President and Rajya Sabha Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar said that a word of currency notes was found in Parliament's Rajya Sabha, adding that a probe has been ordered regarding the same. Dhankar said that the security officials recovered a bundle of currency notes from the seat allotted to Congress MP Abhishek Manu Singhvi during the anti-sabotage check after the adjournment of the House yesterday.
I hereby inform that during the routine anti-sabotage check of the chamber after the adjournment of the House yesterday, apparently a wad of currency notes was recovered by the security officials from seat number 222, presently allotted to Sri Abhishek Manu Singhvi, elected from the state of Telangana for the term 2024 to 2026. The matter was brought to my notice and I felt it expedient as per practice and ordainment to ensure that investigation takes place in accordance with law and the same is underway.
Meanwhile, Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge opposed the naming of an MP by the chair since the matter is under investigation.
सर, मेरा एक ही निवेदन है, ये मैटर आपने कहा कि इन्वेस्टिगेशन में है, जब तक इन्वेस्टिगेशन नहीं होता और जब तक आपको ऑथेंटिसिटी से कोई एक व्यक्ति के पास या कोई एक सीट के ऊपर मिला है, उसका ऑथेंटिसिटी नहीं होता, तब तक तो उसका नाम बोलना ही नहीं। ये अरे छोड़ो भाई, सर, you know, you all lawyers, can he do like this?
1 second.
And these people,
1 second.
ये एक, अरे छोड़ो, ये सब ऐसे चिल्लर काम करके ही देश को बदनाम कर रहे हैं।
Honorable members.
Union Minister J.P. Nadda also hit at the opposition party, stating that the incident is of serious nature and it hurt the dignity of the House.
जो घटना घटी है, ये घटना बहुत ही असाधारण घटना है। और बहुत ही सीरियस नेचर की घटना है। यह घटना पक्ष और विपक्ष में विभाजित होने के लिए नहीं है, ये सदन की गरिमा पर एक चोट है और सदन के कर्तृत्व पर एक तरीके से प्रश्नवाचक चिन्ह है। मुझे आप पर और आपकी रूलिंग पर पूरा भरोसा है कि इन्वेस्टिगेशन डिटेल में होगा और दूध का दूध, पानी का पानी होगा।
To this, the Bharatiya Janata Party MP and Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju said that there should be no objection in naming the member of the House. Rijiju also questioned that why would anyone in the country carry such a huge sum in the digital era.
That as per the routine protocol checked, the anti-sabotage team checked the seats just to wind up the proceedings and the House. During that procedure, the so-called the note was found. And the seat numbers were deciphered and the members also signed that day, you have mentioned it. But I don't understand why there should be objection that the chair should not take the name of the member. Chairman has rightly pointed out the seat number and the member who occupies that particular seat number. What is wrong in that? There's a reason. You can't just put the blame on the members who has a concern. Don't you think that while we are going towards the digital India, carrying a bundle of notes in the house is appropriate? Definitely this is not appropriate.
Well, BJP MP Manoj Tiwari slammed the opposition party for carrying bundle of cash in the parliament.
सिटिंग बेंच जो है वहाँ से नोटों की गड्डियाँ मिली हैं। अब ये आश्चर्य का विषय है और जांच का विषय है। निश्चित रूप से अभी हमारे माननीय जो उपराष्ट्रपति जी ने उन्होंने जांच की बात कही है, लेकिन मैं इस बात से हैरान हूँ कि ये नोटों की गड्डियाँ कांग्रेस के नेताओं के पास ऐसी कहाँ से आ रही हैं। घर में खोजो तो अलमारियों में 100-100, 200-200, 300-300, 400-400 करोड़ मिलती हैं। जहाँ बैठते हैं वहाँ भी नोटों की गड्डियाँ। ये बहुत ही आश्चर्य का भी विषय है और भ्रष्टाचार का जो तंत्र है वो कितना कांग्रेस के नेताओं के दरवाजे तक जाता है, ये देखने को मिल रहा है। तो मैं तो अभी इससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं कहना चाहता हूँ। इसकी इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो और ये बहुत ही चिंता की बात है।
In the first reaction to the controversy, Singhvi said that he just carries one currency note of rupees 500 to the parliament, adding that he had never heard such a thing for the first time.
I am quite astonished to even hear about it about 5 minutes ago. I never heard of it. I reached the inside of the house yesterday at 12:57 p.m. In the afternoon. The house rose at 1 p.m., 3 or 4 minutes after I entered the house. From 1 to 1:30, I sat with Mr. Ayodhya Prasad in the canteen in Sangam and had lunch. At 1:30, I left Parliament. So my total stay in the house yesterday was 3 minutes and my stay in the canteen was 30 minutes. I find it bizarre that even on such issues, politics is raised. Of course, there must be an inquiry as to how people can come and put anything anywhere in any seat. It means that each of us must have a seat where the seat itself can be locked and the key can be carried home by the Member of Parliament, because everybody can then do things on the seat and make allegations about the seat. This is, if it was not tragic and serious, it would be comic.